Okay, we got our head here. We let it set up and dry. So we're going to sand this all down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. So I got an assortment of sanding things I'm going to use here for the little areas. And then we'll use our palm sander for the bigger areas. We're going to get this all sanded down and then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.